Hello 1/1 and welcome to our new science topic. We will be learning all about sound. Let's start with something nice and easy. Let's listen to some sounds from our home.
Clock goes tick-tock. Alarm clock goes ding-ding. Kettle goes burble. Soup goes blub-blub. Microwave goes beep-beep. Fridge goes brrrr. Dishes go cling, clang, chang. Camera goes click. Radio goes la la la. Phone goes bring bring. Washer goes swish. Doorbell goes ding dong. Key goes click.
Okay, so those are some different types of sound in our home. So for this unit, you are going to think about sound all around you, in your home, in your school, outside, everywhere. No video, we are finished. So lots of things make a sound. You can see in the picture lots of different things that make a sound. Some things are loud and noisy. Some things are quiet. We like some sounds. We are scared of other sounds. Anything that makes a sound is called a sound source. In the pictures, you can see lots of examples of sounds, and they are very different types of sounds. The traffic makes sounds with the engines and the tires and the horns, beep, beep. The police make a very loud noise. The hoover and the drill make very loud noises too. We hear sounds when they enter our ears. When sounds enter our ears, messages are sent to our brain. Our brain helps us to make sense of the sounds. So our ears are very important. The ears catch the sound and take it to the brain, and the brain will understand. So that's why when I am teaching, I will say 1/1, give me your ears, because your ears are listening and your ears help your brain. Living things can make a sound. We learned about living things before. Animals and humans can make a sound, and you can see some examples in the picture. And non-living things can make a sound too, like the piano or like the trumpet. So living and non-living things can make a sound. Both can. Some things don't make a sound if we don't touch them. Example, the chair does not make a sound by itself. Of course, if Mr. Tommy moves the chair, it might make a sound, but by itself, it does not make a sound. Here are some examples: the chair, the sock, the spoon, the fork, the knife, and the books. Which of the following makes a sound? So you can say yes or no at home. Do you think this clock makes a sound? I think so. It will say tick tock, tick tock. What about these flowers? If we listen to these flowers, do they make a sound? I don't think so, no. What about this painting? If this painting is on your wall, do you think it will make a noise, make a sound? No, no sound. A shoe. Now, of course, if we are running, our shoe can be very noisy, but this shoe looks like it's not running. A shoe by itself, no, it cannot make a noise. The water in the sink, can it make a sound? Close your eyes and imagine you can see this water or hear this water. I think it will make a noise. The water coming out and hitting the sink, it makes a sound. The ducks. These look like real ducks. These are not toy ducks. This is a real duck, so yes, it makes a sound. Quack, quack. This is a duck too, but it doesn't look like a real duck. It's a plastic duck, I think, or maybe a rubber duck. So nope, this does not make a sound. A bee. Does the bee, the bumblebee, or is it a wasp? Does the insect make a sound? It looks like a real one, so yes, it says bzzz. It makes a sound. A TV. I think a TV is very noisy, so yes, a TV makes a sound. Who can make this sound? Well, Mr. Tommy can make this sound because I cannot hear you right now. The cat says meow. Who can make this sound? Quack, quack. And maybe you can practice at home. Can you make this sound? The alarm clock. Ring, 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 ring. It will wake you up in the morning. Who can make this sound? Oh dear, if two cars crash together, I think it will be very noisy, and I think it will say bang! A big bang for the two cars. What about this noise? It will also be a loud noise, but not as loud as the cars. And it won't be a big bang like the cars. It will be more of a pop. Did you ever hear a balloon bursting before? It goes pop. And if we want to spell that word, we say the balloon will pop. P-O-P. The balloon will pop. Okay, so that's our video about sound, our first lesson on sound. So now 1/1, your job is in your science workbook, you open up page number 73. And this page is easy for you, I think. It says, which of the following makes a sound? Tick them. So you need to look at the pictures, and if it makes a sound, you tick. Okay? So we looked at all of these pictures in the PowerPoint. You need to think, does it make a sound? And if it does, please tick. So that is page number 73. Page number 74, match the sound to its source. So all of these things make a sound. You need to match the word to the picture. I will read the word for you to help you. So let's look at the first word and I will read down. The first word is pop. Which of these pictures makes a pop noise? The second word is meow. The third word is quack. So difficult. The next word is ring. Ring, 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 ring. The next word is bang. And if you say that word, you have to say it very loud like that. So tomorrow or on Thursday, I'm going to ask you to make these sounds. And the last one is shh. So match the word to the picture. And that's all your science for today, 1/1. So please finish page 73 and page 74. And Mr. Tommy will see you very soon. Okay, good luck 1/1, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.